Hello everyone, welcome to Taptilo tutorial. In this episode, we will unbox Taptilo and look at what's inside. When you receive your Taptilo, it will come in a rounded rectangular shaped case that is sturdy and water resistant. The zippers are located along the top edges. There is a rubber handle on the long side, and on each end of the handle are rings where you can attach the shoulder strap. On the top of the case, there is a rubber label that reads Taptilo in script and in braille. Let's open the case. The first thing you see is the Taptilo device. There is a small slot cut out in the center along the top edge that you can use to conveniently lift the device out of the case. Underneath, you will find the accessories. On the left is the quick start guide in two versions, one in print and one in braille. In the middle, there is a mini pouch for accessories, a charger, and a shoulder strap for the case. On the right, there is an extra braille block for Taptilo. How to attach the shoulder strap. Using the hooks on each end of the strap, attach onto the rings on each end of the handle.